Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest trends and tips in the digital world. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about: Facebook monetization. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion for content creation into a source of income, you're in the right place. Facebook has evolved into a powerful platform for creators, offering various ways to monetize your content. One of the most popular methods is through Facebook's ad breaks. By incorporating short ads into your videos, you can earn money based on the views your content receives. It's a straightforward way to start generating revenue while sharing your unique voice with the world. Another fantastic option is Facebook's fan subscriptions. This feature allows your most dedicated followers to support you directly through monthly subscriptions. In return, you can offer them exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or special perks. It's a win-win situation that fosters a deeper connection with your audience while providing you with a steady income stream. Don't forget about Facebook shops. If you have products to sell, setting up a shop on your page can be a game changer. You can showcase your items directly to your followers, making it easier for them to support your work while enjoying what you offer. As you explore these monetization options, remember that building a loyal audience takes time and effort. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers, and the rewards will follow. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you're excited to learn more about tech trends and tips, don't forget to follow us and subscribe for more content. Keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.